Today, Cardi B made a very special statement on her Instagram page. She shared a message where she addressed her haters and those who make memes and jokes about everything. Here's Cardi B's comment.
He's always doing memes and jokey jokes about only know how to do chicken Alfredo and ha ha ha. But y'all always eat the plate up. Make a pepper steak and some rice, and he'll eat half of it. He'll probably leave some. You make a chicken Alfredo with a little shrimp. Oh, you know these get hard for some shrimp. They eat the whole thing. They never gonna deny the plate. Complain before you give him some ass to eat.
Here's Cardi B's comment. What do you all think about Cardi B's statement?